Hi guys, happy to see you again. I'm Kate from LOPO. Today, I'm going to bring you Sublimation T-shirts. You may wonder why Sublimation T-shirts? They are old products. Yes, you're right, they are old products. But since the epidemic, they're becoming popular again. In the past, T-shirts used to be produced in Southeast Asia, but now those places are heavily affected by the epidemic, so companies all over the world turn to China to buy T-shirts. So our customers are also asking us to add this Subli line. Besides, T-shirts are very important in our daily life, so we decided to bring T-shirts. Today's video includes two parts. First is types, size, and colors for T-shirts. Second is printing for the T-shirts with our Galaxy Press. First type is for adults. The material is 95% polyester and 5% spandex, so it's very flexible. And for the colors, we have white and gray. You may say, why gray? Gray is a popular color, and also it can be sublimated with any different types of colorful design. Size of the T-shirts for women and for men, small to 3 extra large. So we have any size you want. For the details, for example, if you want a V-neck or narrowed waist for women, we can arrange it for you because we have a sewing factory. The second type is for the kids. We have two colors available, white and gray. For the material, 95% polyester, 5% spandex. So it's very comfortable and flexible. And also for the sizes, we have 9 sizes available, from 0.8 meters tall to 1.6 meters tall. Third type is for the babies. We have 3 colors available, white, gray, and pink. And for the material, it's soft as the baby's skin. There are 3 buttons at the bottom for easily changing the diapers. And we have sizes of small to 3 extra large for babies from newborn to 2 years old. For the printing, from our Galaxy Press, we use Gas 105 etches. With the slide-out design, you can easily lay out your T-shirts. I will do 2 printing demos for you. One is for the T-shirts and the other is for the baby growth, because printing is different for those 2 types. Firstly, T-shirt printing. We need to pre-print the T-shirt for 5 seconds because through pre-printing, we remove all the moisture from the T-shirt so color won't be blurred. And also for all textile products, pre-printing is very important or the color might be blurred. Pre-printing is easy. Just lay out the T-shirt on the machine and set for 5 seconds. Now, locate the design on the T-shirt with the right direction and use heat-resistant tape to fix it. Set the machine at 45 seconds, medium pressure. And now, let's check the result. As you can see, the printing result is very excellent. Now is baby growth printing. As you can see, there are buttons at the bottom and the neck part is a little bit bumpy. So we need a printing jig, which is made of Teflon fabric with heat-resistant sponge, which we call Teflon pillow. And if you need any, please contact our sales. We can offer it for you. So we insert the jigs into the baby growth and printing part will be flattened. Then we can start printing. First, we do the pre-printing for 5 seconds and then put the design on and let's go. Wonderful! Here comes our baby growth with beautiful designs. As you can see, all 3 colors can be sublimated with different types of designs for baby boys and baby girls. We do think that all of our little angels deserve special gifts like this. That's all for the introduction and printing of the T-shirts. Don't hesitate to make your orders because we have all of them in stock. And please don't try to miss the trend of the T-shirts because they're becoming really popular. Thank you for watching. I'm Kate. Let's make life memorable with sublimation. See you next time. Bye.